In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze data in image format with ChatGPT. So I have this bar chart and these line charts, okay, that I want to analyze with ChatGPT. So all I need is to come over to my Chrome and then I start a new chart. I can upload the files. Let's go one by one. Let's go add photos. Let's come to the download and I have this bar chart over here. Okay, I can give the prompt over here. Can you explain this chart? Okay, so let's see whether it is going to truly read and explain this. Yeah, certainly here's the explanation: chart overview, table data, and it has some data in the table. It is now reprinting it, and then chart interpretation. So take a look at what it is giving us. Key observations from the charts, what's missing or could be improved in the charts to make a better result is what it has given us. So this is a very good and complete explanation of what this chart is all about. So let's try the second one, which is a line chart. So let's say add a photo and then let's say we select this one. It's a line chart. So let's say, can you give me a clear explanation in this image? Okay, so you can enter and let's see whether it is actually going to explain this. Yeah, certainly let's break it down. Again, the chart type is a line chart, and then this is the table breakdown of what is contained in the table up, and then it is going to give you the interpretation of the chart. It is a chart interpretation, the x-axis, the y-axis, the legends, the key insights. Everything is being captured directly with this particular AI tool. So this is really, really next level, and it has given you a very good suggestion for improvement as regards to chart that you've just added. So this is how to interpret charts or images or data in the image format. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.